Hi guys, I'm Szenan-Balance from TCM School, and this live, let's talk about one of my wounds yesterday. Was a last patient came in with shoulder pain. His daughter told her to come to us, but he didn't have a chance to see me as my colleague. I was a new colleague, new acupuncturist. So I told him some of G acupuncture and mainly balance method acupuncture. The result was good. A bit of improvement, like in pain as well as a range of movement. This patient 15 years ago had surgery on both shoulder at different times. And what happened is he keeps suffering from pain still. And when I asked him to raise arm up, both sides, and he did it that way. That's up and that way. This is how bad is it? Okay. How he can raise up. And then I checked the structure. I see, okay, with structure you get some results. Balance method acupuncture, you get some results. Not too bad, okay. I said, well, remove your tops and remove it. I see scar over here, scar over here. Within 2 minutes, 1 minute, within 1 minute, I done one scar because the scar's over here. So I get his hand, keep it like this, and I did the scar tissue from here with the special needles. Okay, done this one within 1 minute, and I do the other one. I did the other one. Done both, and I said, now raise your hands up. So he's a teacher, and he can't. When you write left-hander, he only be able to do it that way. He can't raise up like do this way, and it's painful when even he did that way. So he raised up some like this. That's how good it is. Is it amazing? 15 years. I had it for 15 years. That's what he said. Okay. So I want to share with you, when treating pain, we look at meridian blockage. Good to use local points, massage, cupping, nothing wrong with that. With distal point, balance method acupuncture, very good for unblock the blockage, right? Second, what's the second one? Structure imbalance. We use GE acupuncture, like chiropractor, osteopath, physiotherapy. They do that, And we use acupuncture needle to do the structure imbalance, because structure imbalance will cause meridian blockage as well, right? Third things, organs imbalance. So how does organs to do with the pain? Let me explain to you. Number one, all structure strength come from organs function, right? Like kidney control bone strength, stomach spleen control muscle strength, liver control tendon strength, and liver control joint and nerve functioning. That's how easy it is. So if organs are out of balance, the structure is unstable and they cause pain. Right. Easy. Then another thing, even though you do those three, I use post-balancing to treat the organs, or use herbs to get the organs better. Now, for those things, it's good. Nothing wrong with that. Everyone have those three issues, right? You can use G acupuncture, balance method acupuncture, post-balancing acupuncture, no problem at all. But when it comes to structure imbalance, scar tissues, you want to do the scar, release the scar tissue first. This is very important. If you don't do this, doesn't matter how good you perform in the other three, or scalp acupuncture, you release all the scar tissue first and then you do the others. That is my suggestion. So in this case, when I first saw it, I said, okay, First thing, release the scar tissue. I didn't know whether how well it's going to be for this patient, but I did it anyway. Fantastic. 15 years. Right. Look, if 15 years ago someone did it for him, he won't have this problem. Because one treatment, 2 minutes. But I didn't see him just 2 minutes though. The procedure of the acupuncture only within 2 minutes. But I actually did a lot of tests, like test the structure, test the pose, and talk to him what's going on with the, things like that. So he was so happy, and then he told me, yes, can you treat anxiety, high blood pressure, all those things. I said, yeah, I'm happy to help with that. We see a lot of patients. We help people drop the medication. That's what he wants. So came in for the other things next week. So this is something I want to share with you, how to treat scar tissue. If you see any scar tissue, first deal with the scar tissue, okay? Then I want to, even the scar tissue in tummy, and it can cause neck pain, headache, shoulder pain, pain in the ankle, cause insomnia, all those things, okay? It's very important. That's why I want to show it with you. I teach scar tissue relief in my workshop coming up in Malaysia next month, and in New Zealand in September. So if you want to join, you want to learn more, find out the contact number and email around this video, up or down, and contact us, and we'll be able to help you to book in for my workshop. Stay awesome. I'll see you another time. Bye bye.